Hi, I'm Daryl Webster from Modern Workplace Scenarios. In this video, we're going to take a look at tags within Microsoft Teams. Tags are a good way to group people together so you can hold a conversation across your team or even start a chat within Microsoft Teams. We're going to have a look at a scenario where Adele is trying to get hold of a designer. She's a member of the Mark 8 project team and she has a general question for all designers in the team. Now in theory, we have a channel called Design and designers may be following or set their notifications for this channel. So in theory, Megan could do this. Hey @design and start that conversation there. And if the people within or who are interested in the design channel are following that channel, they have set the notifications so that they're keeping up to date with conversations there, then they'll get a notification. Now Brady over here hasn't got that notification. In fact, if you go over to his activity feed, he doesn't have any mention of it, and he's a designer. Now he hasn't done this step where you could go in and set your channel notifications potentially to all activity or set some custom notifications to suit the way that he wants to remain engaged with the conversations in that channel. So a better way for a team owner is for Adele to create a tag for the designers. As a team owner, I can go in and I can manage my team and I can see the members of my team. And I've already assigned some tags to team members. We have Lee, who's in design, and a few other members as well. We need to add Grady so that he has the tag for design as well. So let's click on the tag, and we've got a choice of different tags that are available within the team, and I'll assign them to the design tag and apply. And it's as simple as that. Now, Grady is a member of a tag with 4 other members in the team. And Adele can now ask a question by mentioning the tag, and everyone in the team will get that notification, regardless of whether they've set notifications on the design channel. So let's try that out. If Megan was starting in the same conversation, maybe she was in general, could be any channel now, and as we type the @ sign, we can type the word design. We can now see there's a design channel, but there's also a design tag with 4 people that are in this tag group. So let's paste the same text in there, and we'll go back over and see if Grady has received that message. And it looks like he has. You can see the @mention. You can go up to the activity feed and you can see that Megan has mentioned the design tag, and that's where the conversation is. So this is great. It means that Grady will get his message, that Adele will get her questions answered by anyone who's in the design team and a member of the design tag, and we'll be able to work together better as a team and communicate across that team. Now, one other thing, if Megan wanted to have a conversation outside of the team and just have a private conversation, then we can click on the design tag. Let's go over and be Megan. Open up the group and chat with the group. So we've started a private chat with all 4 members of that tag, and that can be held separately outside of the team itself. So that was a few quick things about Microsoft Teams and tags. Great way to group people together so that you can have these conversations and you're not relying on people to set their notifications on channels. If you're keen to see more of this kind of content, to learn more about Microsoft 365, Microsoft Teams and other things in the modern workplace, then follow my channel, click that bell to get the notifications, and we'll see you again next time. Bye for now.